Let's start by taking a look at a sample case in our practice management system. This is a divorce case between Kevin and Emily Johnson. You can see there are 5 related parties, and there are a number of documents associated with the case. We'll launch the trial notebook and search for our case. When we open the matter and view the relation tool, we see all the related parties and related documents have been pulled over from Time Matters into the trial notebook. So within just a few seconds of starting the program, and even without adding any issues to the outline or defining any relationships, you could click the Pack button right now to take all the case documents with you on your laptop or a flash drive. Notice we have 5 witnesses, and none of them are Betty Neighborly. If I go back to Time Matters and move to the Related tab, Betty Neighborly is not here either. If I go in and add her to the case as a witness in Time Matters, then you see we now have Betty Neighborly and 6 contact records. If we switch back to the trial notebook and click the refresh button, Betty is added to the list of witnesses, so now we have 6. Just like contacts, the refresh brings all new documents into Trial Notebook as well. Then each time you pack the case again, you'll get the latest copy of all related case documents. Also, just so you know, Trial Notebook automatically does a refresh every time you launch the program, so it will always pick up any contacts or documents that have been recently added to your practice management system. The real power of the Trial Notebook comes from the issue outline and the ability to define relationships between information. Right-click to add top level as well as sub-issues. Now that we have some issues in the outline, we can start defining some relationships. You see the main pleadings issue is now visible in the 3rd panel. Let's select the Motions document category and check the boxes to link this motion to dismiss to the main pleadings issue, as well as to Roger Williams, who is the opposing counsel. Then we'll do the same for this motion for temporary relief. There's more we can link under the pleadings document category. Now if we look back at the issue outline, we see the pleadings appear under Roger Williams when the main pleadings issue is selected. I've fleshed out the outline with some additional issues and established more relationships for our demonstrations. As we select each issue, we see the related witnesses along with the documents each witness can speak to. You can double-click any document to open it with an associated program. If we switch to the Documents/Witness view, the list changes to show each document with a list of related witnesses. That could be a Word document, Excel sheet, PDF, image, or even a video or audio file. Basically, any file you can open on your PC or laptop. Remember, all related case documents can be packed and taken with you for ready access while out of the office. Once loaded on your laptop, the program looks and operates just as you see here. Memo text and a color code can be added to each issue in the outline. Plus, each issue can have its own timeline of important dates, allowing you to build a calendar of important issue-related events for the entire case. Documents also appear on the calendar to add context to the timeline. Of course, you can open documents from the calendar as well. The other 3 tabs give you slightly different views of your information and the relationships. The Critical Suggestions tool helps identify important outline issues, witnesses, and documents based on how many relationships exist. You can remove the background noise in a large case by adjusting the minimum number of relationship connections required to identify truly critical information. Check the box for any item you consider to be critical to the case, and it will be shown as bold throughout the program. The Validate Documents tool ensures all the case documents in your practice management system are available and ready to be packed. If any documents are missing, you may go fix the problem before you continue, or you can choose the option to skip the missing documents. Any missing documents will be marked with the color red to indicate they aren't actually available on your laptop. Finally, the Pack feature is quick and simple. Choose your laptop C drive or a flash drive to pack the data, and all documents, contacts, issues, and relationships will be copied there along with the Trial Notebook program itself. Pack your case before each deposition, client meeting, settlement conference, hearing, or trial, and take all the current case information with you. Please feel free to contact us with questions, or if you would like to try the Trial Notebook.